Hello everybody, today we are talking about strings in C++. In this C++ tutorial you will learn what is a string, declaring strings, C-style character string, Ctd string, accessing string values, and string functions. Declaring strings. C++ supports two types of string declarations: C-style character string, string class type. So, C-style character string. This type of string declaration was introduced in C programming language. C++ continues to support it. It's simple one-dimensional array of characters terminated with a null character. A null terminated strings has characters that make up the string when followed by a null. Consider the string declaration given below. Char name 5 GOHN null. The above declaration creates a string that forms the word John. The word has 4 characters, but the string has a size of 5. The extra space allows for holding of the null character. Using the array initialization rule, we can write the above statement as follows: char name John. Note that you don't have to place the null character at the end of the string constant. The C++ compiler will automatically place the null at the string's end when initializing the array. Ctd String. The standard C++ library provides the string class which supports various string operation. It is written as Ctd String. To use this class, we must first include it into our workspace. Using the include preprocessor as shown below, include string. Next, we can declare our string using the string keyword. For example, string name John. The above statement will create a string name to hold the value John. Accessing string values. In C++, we can access the string values using the string name. For example, including the iostream header file in our code. It will allow us to read from the write to the console, including the Ctd namespace so as to use its classes and functions without calling it. Calling the main function inside which the logic of the program should be added. The mark starts of body of the main function. Declaring a string of characters and giving it the name. The string will store the value John. The extra space will store the null character. Printing some text on the console. Printing the value of the string named name on the console. The main function should return a value if the program runs fine. End of the body of the main function. String functions. You will often want to manipulate strings. C++ provides a wide range of functions that you can use for this. These functions are defined in the CString class. Hence, we have to include it in our code in order to use the functions. Let us discuss some. First, strcpy. Second, strcut. Third, strlen. And finally, strcmp. So strcpy, this is the string copy function. It copies one string into another string. Syntax: strcpy string 1 string 2. The two parameters to the function string 1 and string 2 are strings. The function will copy the string 1 into the string 1. Struct: this is the string concatenate function. It concatenates strings. Syntax: strcut string 1 string 2. The two parameters to the function string 1 and string 2 are the strings to be concatenated. To above function will concatenate the string 2 to the end of the string 1. Strlen: this is the string length function. It returns the length of the string passed to it as the argument. Syntax: strlen string 1. The parameter string 1 is the name of the string whose length is to be determined. The above function will return the length of the string 1. strcmp. This is a string compare function. It is used for string comparison. Syntax: strcmp string 1 string 2. The above function will return 0 if strings string 1 and string 2 are similar, less than 0 if string 1 less string 2, and greater than 0 if string 1 greater string 2. For example, including the IOStream header file in our code, it will allow us to read from the write to the console, including the started C string class in our code, including the Ctd namespace so as to use its classes and functions without calling it, calling the main function inside which the logic of the program should be added, the mark start of body of the main function, declaring a string of 10 characters and giving it the name 1. This string will store the value guru99, declaring the string of 10 characters and giving it the name 2. This string will store the value John, declaring a string of 10 characters and giving it name 3, declaring an integer variable named len, copying the string name 1 into the string name 3, printing the value of the string name 1 alongside some text on the console. It's hold print guru99. Concatenating the strings name 2 to the end of the string name 1. The value of name 1 is now guru99 John, printing the value of the string name 1 alongside some text on the console. It's hold print guru99 John. Determining the length of the string named name 1 and assigning the value of length to variable len, printing the value of len variable alongside some other text on the console. The main function should return a value if the program runs fine, and of the body of the main function. So that's all. Goodbye everyone. See you.